DTR Productions.
I have finished applying this wig to my head and styling up the curls. So this time, well, for a while now, I've been using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray only when I'm applying my frontals and my other wigs. And I do that because it's very convenient. And this time I did something different. Usually I'll pull the wig back, I'll put the spray on my skin, and then I'll blow dry it and then put the wig on, and then put the wig on top of the spray, and then I'll blow dry it. But this time I put the wig on, I had the lace and everything exactly where I wanted it to be, and then I sprayed the freeze spray on top of the lace instead of putting it underneath. And it felt like it was cutting out an extra step, and it was just a lot more convenient. I'm gonna insert pictures of me wearing this wig in natural light and in like direct sunlight, because I took some out on my balcony. Yeah, so I made this wig using the hair from, I think you pronounce this company Buffet. Yeah, shout out to them for sending me this hair to review for you guys. This hair, I'm going to give you guys the pros and the cons. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I love the texture of it. And with the last few curly wigs that I've been reviewing, to define the curls, I've been using water and the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. And it definitely makes the curls pop. I use this on my natural hair as well. The hair is probably like 90% dry, and I do like that the curls are defined, but it's not like too wet looking. The cap was showing through like way too much back here, so I did put some matte black eyeshadow on the lace back there. Yeah, so overall I feel like this wig is very beautiful, but even before I bleached the knots on it, and even before I started to customize it, the frontal was shedding a lot. So I did get a lot of shedding with the frontal, not so much with the bundles, but with the frontal I did get a lot of shedding. So keep keep that in mind before you purchase. But overall, I think this is very beautiful. I will have a wig sale coming up in July. I'll keep you guys posted on the actual date. This one's not going to be in it because I really like this one. I can just see myself wearing this a lot, so I'm not going to sell this one. But the wig sale, I'm preparing for it already, but it's going to be sometime at the beginning of July, and I'll keep you guys posted. If you are interested in this hair, I'll leave links in the description box for you guys to where you can purchase it on their website. I think it's pronounced Buffet or something like that. I'm sorry for butchering your name, but thank you for sending me this hair to review for my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. Share this video, like it, and comment below because I do enjoy interacting with you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah.